Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are playing some jailbreak. Today we'll be trying to escape prison. What we do, we're gonna be the best criminal ever. We're gonna be better than FaZe. I was a cop earlier today, and look, this guy's hacking. This guy's legit hacking. He's like he's going through little hacks he hacks, and he's little no clip. Yeah, let's just get, that's sad. I just said no crip. I have clipped in depression. No, not iDubbbz, he sucks. Posted. Triggered. iDubbbz nose so big that even I can't even see it. No. iDubbbz's nose is so big that even Mother Nature can see it. Boom! Roast. Camp. Let me in! JP. Thanks. No. Wait, what? What? No! Spam! No! You know what? We're just gonna do it the old way. We're gonna do the old-fashioned way. Oh. She's on iPad. Come on, release me. Come on. Where is she? Hey, rich dude. I'm not rich. Well, rich, but... There she is! That sounded so wrong, but, like, I just need her key card. Because, like, I need fame, so I'm not a loser. Yeah, boy, I stole her key card. Let's get old-fashioned. Okay, first. Oh god, she's coming after me. Oh god. She's coming after me. Come on, we gotta do this quick. Come on. Ah, camping cops everywhere! No! Come on. We made it alive! Woohoo! We made it alive. Make it alive. Alive. Stand alive. I don't know the song. Just comment down below hashtag can't sing. And then comment down below hashtag I take L's. Not you guys, I do. So put you take L's. Just kidding. I take W's. W for days. Okay. I literally thought I was Okay. I don't know why I spot this because I had like 20,000 cash, but those are so dope. They're not dope, but they're cool. They're like run. Oh god. Cops everywhere! Oh my god, cops camping. Every single day, bro! Every single day, bro! No! Camping cops. Cops always win! No! Where? No, Clipper! He's no clipping. I see it instantly, just no clipped. FaZe gun. Yo. Lucky stood on the server. Oh, hello, Mr. Copperoni. I'll just, take care of my keycard, thank you. Very generous, but... just need your keycard. And then, watch this. So, take it. I knew it! Just instantly knew it. Just legit instantly knew it. But you know, camping cops always win. What? What? No way. No way, no way. There'd be no way I'm doing this. Guys, I literally have never took out a cop. This is like an accomplishment in my life. Better than my personal life than actual, like, legit camping cops. I mean, this game has a lot of camping cops. Like, I'm literally going back there. I'm, like, legitimately just trying to avoid. Because I'm not getting arrested this time. I'm trying not to get arrested. Because every time I don't get arrested, I rage. As you see a couple minutes ago. But we got a key card, so we can go get a helicopter and go rob the train. And do some really fun stuff. Okay. Oh, run! 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 No way. Nope. 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 Just camping cops always win. Just camping cops need to be put to a stop. This is unbelievable. See? Right there. And then now. Shut up. Make a risk. Making a risk. Checking it twice. But I know who's not here. Wait 1 second. Wait a second. Ooh! Yay! Helicopter! I'm rich. I'm richy rich. No, I'm kidding. I'm not richy rich. He's a trillionaire, as he says in the show. Camping cops always win. I tell you guys, camping cops will always win. Speed hacks for days. Tase us. Tase us. I dare you. Tase me. Tase me. Just trying to get out of here because they can shoot me down. I mean, like, let's go rob the train. I mean, let's get a $2,000 bounty. That's my very beautiful car. Oh, by the way, new schedule coming up. So, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, and Saturday. We gotta wait for this train. Make sure that volume up right here. Okay. No sign. Go to the donut shop, let's rob it, because we're not gonna let the police do this to us, because the police can be kind of rude. You know, I hate Popo. So I will grind to literally get that volt bike. That volt bike must be mine. Like, it just has to be. If it's not mine. Oh, thank God, I thought it was the cops. I actually thought it was the cops. So I was gonna be like, I'm dead. Ow. No, stop. Noob. Noob! Noob. Hacker. I was both punch wrong. Okay. We need to make sure there are no camping cops. Plus, I forgot, we're supposed to rob the train. I mean, what is that baby? Is it just coming out? Yeah, I'm pretty sure people are chasing it. There wouldn't be just one, like, 3 people just chasing stuff for nothing. There's that big baby. Time. So if I don't get camped. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on out, come out, come on, come on, come on. Bit more, come on, come on, come on. Lola! Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Is everyone about the train? No. Okay, that's good. Okay. Wait, Nick's V is no, Nick's the V lover. Is she not here? Oh yeah, how I love Nick's V. Ooh. Camping cops always win. Someone's driving my car. They think that they're rich, but no, I'm the rich. She probably will grab big weapons. Who does that? If I get arrested, I honestly don't even care. Because if I don't get arrested, I will I have to end the video, but I'm like awesome. Okay, this dude right there is a hacker because he is using a no clip. Boom, 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 boom. Cops are coming. Cops are coming. So if this dude can do a trick, he doesn't die. Noob. That was right. Yeah, you guys might have just died. Cops are here. Cops are here. Terrible aim, mate. Just terrible aim. There we go. Ow! She killed me. She killed me. How dare she? Well, I'm gonna end the video off here because I enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if I was quiet for the rest of the video. I actually don't know if I was or not. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put a lot of effort into making a thumbnail. And yeah, enjoy. Or have a nice day and peace. Wait, no, that's the wrong outro. Here's the right one.